Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Overnight Millionaire Crave YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about how you can find the right keywords to target in your blog post or whatever for your business. And right now I'm inside of Wealthy Affiliate, and I'm going to go over and hit research. Okay. And then it's gonna take me to the Jaxi dashboard. Jaxi is a keyword finding tool that really helps you get your site ranked. You're gonna be able to search for keywords and find different ideas that you can write about that'll actually help you get ranked higher on the first page of Google and even just on the first page in general. And this is really great for if you're just starting out. You're gonna want to head over and get a keyword research tool. This is the one I recommend. This is the one I use. And there's lots of great features within this, so don't get overwhelmed. Just bear with me here. So right now, if we go over to this search bar, we can actually type in something like, let's type in basketball. All right, training. All right, and it's gonna search. And this tool is really cool. Alright, so it's going to show you the average searches that it's getting per month, the traffic you can expect to actually get if you were to rank for basketball training. As you see, there's 849 average monthly searches, and if you're able to get on page 1, they're saying you should be able to get 145 visitors a month off of this article that you're going to write. Alright, so next you're going to come over to this KQI, which is it shows you if it's a good keyword to target, pretty much. Alright, so as you can see, I hit that, and let's just hit that on a few of them. Alright, and it's going to show you that the QSR, and if you don't know what QSR means, it's just a competition. How many websites are actually competing to get ranked for that keyword. So it's very valuable. And as you see, 231 websites are in competition trying to get ranked. And it's a normal difficult score. In the SEO score is your likelihood to get ranked on page 1 due to how to 100 out of 100. You want this number as high as possible. As you see, this one's 95. There's 78 different websites competing for basketball training drills, and you can expect to get 17 visitors a month, which if you're just starting out, this is a keyword I would target, basketball training drills. But you also want to take it a step further and target all these, and think about the amount of traffic. You don't need a lot of traffic to make a lot of money. I mean, it helps. Alright, and so you can go here and sort by the QSR. Alright, and that's a niche you could potentially go into. Wheelchair basketball training. As you see, 99 websites, and you're probably going to get ranked if you do this. Now, the searches are low, but when you're just starting out, this is a keyword you're gonna want to target, especially this one. Like 2, yeah, there's only 40 average monthly searches, and you're only gonna get 7, but you will get on the first page. And in this, you can search domains. You have the ability to search domains, and so this can help you with finding a name for your website if you're just kind of brainstorming different ideas. Over here we have related categories, and you can click on any of these to really dig deep into into keyword research. And I love doing keyword research. It's really a great tool to use, and a great thing to do. So let's see, basketball training equipment. That's a great keyword. This is saying, and if you do it right, you will get ranked, even as a new beginner. Basketball training workouts, strength training. See, all these are good. Like, they're good keywords you can use. Alright, and you can come over here and go to the alphabet soup, and what this is going to do is enter a keyword and start the alphabet soup. It's basically, you go into Google, you type in your keyword, and you press A, B, C, you go through the alphabet, and it gives you different ideas that you can target. Alright. And you have the ability to save the list, so you can actually create your list in here, so you always have them at all times, which is a very cool, very valuable asset to have. You can come over here to brainstorm, and as you see, there's no data found. But yeah, you're going to want to spend a lot of time in trying to find the perfect keywords to target. And if you're just starting out, try to find 10 to 15 that you can write on, that you have a good probability of getting ranked. Guys, that is going to do it for this video. If you want to check out my #1 way to make money online, you're going to want to head over to that first link in the description. If you want to check out Jaxi, you can hit the second link in the description box below, and they're going to hook you up, and they're going to make your life 10 times easier, save you a lot of time when trying to start your keyword research. And this is a very good, very powerful tool that I recommend to anyone, beginner or not. Alright, thank you for watching.